Replit AI Review. Everything you need to know. In this video, we're diving into Replit AI, which is an all-in-one development platform that combines AI-powered coding, real-time collaboration, and one-click development. So whether you're a beginner learning to code or a developer building a live project with your team, Replit AI might just change how you work. So let's break it all down: features, pricing, pros and cons, and who it's best for. So you can decide if Replit AI is the right tool for your dev workflow. First up, let's talk about what makes Replit AI stands out. So, the AI-powered code generation. Replit's AI can help you write code faster. Just type a command and it can autofill functions, generate boilerplate code, and even suggest logic in real time. It also offers in-editor AI assistant. So if you need help while coding, Replit AI offers real-time explanations, debugging suggestions, and error fixes right inside the editor. And it also offers multi-language support. So whether you're working in Python, JavaScript, Java, HTML, CSS, or many others, Replit AI has you covered. It also offers collaboration tools, so Replit shines when it comes to teamwork. You can get live multiplayer editing, voice chat, and shared workspaces, making it great for group projects, pair programming, or even remote tutoring. It also offers instant development, so once your code is ready, you can deploy it instantly. No servers, no setup, you write, you run, you preview, all from the browser. It also offers cross-platform access, so Replit works on web, mobile, and tablets, so you can code wherever inspiration strikes, whether that's at your desk or on your phone during a commute. So now let's head over and talk about the pricing of Replit. So there is a free plan which gives you access to basic AI features and single user ripples, great for testing, learning, or small personal projects. For more power, Replit offers pro and team plans. So it offers faster AI responses, more tokens for longer code generation, private ripples, team collaboration, and extended runtimes. So whether you're solo or managing a development team, there's a plan to match your needs. And then finally, we have the enterprise one, which is custom pricing, and you can just contact with the salesperson and negotiate something. So what are the pros and cons? Pros are that it is fantastic for rapid prototyping using AI prompts. AI feedback appears directly in the editor, no more context switching. Collaboration tools are smooth and easy to use. From writing to development, it's all in the browser. But the cons are AI suggestion can sometimes miss the mark, so manual review is still important. The free version may feel a bit limited for larger or high intensity projects, and it requires internet access, no offline mode. So, who should use Replit AI? Students and beginners, solo developers and educators, small teams, and it is on a budget. That the free tier is very capable and the paid plans scale nicely if you need more. So that's our full breakdown of Replit AI. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to code faster, learn more effectively, or collaborate online, all powered by real-time AI assistant. But like any tool, it's about your needs. Lightweight projects, Replit AI is amazing. If you have heavy backend infrastructure, you might need something more robust. So that's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.